Discover the garlic revolution. Unleash the power of nature. Elevate your wellness journey with the incredible benefits of garlic, nature's wonder drug. In this guide, we're diving deep into the art of garlic consumption to unlock its full potential. From enhancing medicinal properties to ensuring optimal absorption, get ready for a garlic experience like never before. Tip number 1. Crush it for maximum impact. To supercharge garlic's health benefits, it's time to unleash the power within. Learn how to properly chop or crush garlic to activate allicin, the magic compound behind its antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory prowess. Whether you use a knife, garlic press, or mortar and pestle, the key is letting the crushed garlic sit for a few minutes to ensure the formation of allicin. Incorporate this potent elixir into your meals, but beware, heat diminishes its effectiveness, so add it towards the end of cooking or enjoy it raw in dressings and garnishes. Tip number 2. Empty stomach, maximum impact. Subscribe to this channel for more life-changing tips. Consuming garlic on an empty stomach takes its health benefits to the next level. Enhance absorption, boost your immune system, reduce inflammation, and improve cardiovascular health by making garlic the first thing you eat in the morning. A small amount of raw crushed garlic followed by a glass of water can easily become your morning ritual, but consult your healthcare provider if you have a sensitive stomach or acid reflux. Tip number 3. Chew well for optimal absorption. Chew your way to health. Properly chewing garlic releases its beneficial compounds, ensuring optimal absorption. The mechanical action breaks down cell walls, allowing allicin and allinase to work their magic. Slowly chew a small piece of raw garlic before swallowing to maximize the release of allicin, aid digestion, and enhance absorption. Don't worry about the strong flavor. Start small and gradually increase the amount as you become accustomed to the taste. Thorough chewing is the key to unlocking garlic's full potential. Tip number 4. Mix and match for enhanced flavor. Ready to elevate your garlic game? Combine garlic with other foods to enhance its palatability and absorption. Discover exciting new flavor combinations that make your garlic-infused dishes a culinary delight. The possibilities are endless. From hearty meals to delightful snacks, make garlic the star of your culinary adventures. Tip number 5. Blend with healthy fats and vitamin C. Make your garlic journey even more delightful by pairing it with foods rich in healthy fats or vitamin C. Mixing garlic with olive oil in salad dressings not only masks its robust flavor, but also enhances the absorption of its nutrients. Similarly, combining garlic with tomato-based sauces or a zesty lemon garlic dressing boosts its antioxidant potential, thanks to the synergistic effect of vitamin C. This approach turns incorporating garlic into your diet into a flavorful adventure, ensuring you savor its full health benefits in a delicious way. Don't forget to let the crushed garlic sit for a few minutes before adding it to these combinations to maximize allicin formation. Tip number 6. Moderation is the golden rule. While garlic is a health powerhouse, remember that moderation is key. Overindulgence can lead to digestive discomfort, bad breath, body odor, and, in rare cases, interference with certain medications, especially blood thinners due to its mild anticoagulant properties. The recommended amount is typically 1 to 2 cloves per day. Start with a small amount, gradually increasing as tolerated, to ensure you enjoy the therapeutic properties without overwhelming your system. If you're on medication or have specific health concerns, consult with a healthcare professional before upping your garlic intake. Tip number 7. Be aware of side effects. Embrace the benefits while being mindful of potential side effects. raw garlic in particular may cause digestive issues and bad breath. Its natural blood-thinning properties might be a concern for those on blood-thinning medications or facing surgery. To mitigate these effects, start with small amounts, gradually increasing. Consuming garlic with food can help reduce digestive discomfort, and chewing parsley or mint afterward can freshen your breath. Tip number 8. Consistency is key to transformation. Unlock the full potential of garlic by incorporating it consistently into your routine. Regular intake allows compounds like allicin to exert their therapeutic effects over time. Whether added to daily meal preparations, sauces, dressings, or consumed raw, establishing a routine, such as having garlic with your morning meal, turns it into a habitual part of your diet. Embracing garlic consistently can be a game changer for your health, offering benefits from enhanced immunity to improved heart health. Don't miss out on more insights. For additional tips and a deeper dive into the wonders of garlic, check out our dedicated video. And if you found this information valuable, hit that subscribe button for more transformative content. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful and health-boosting journey.